Friends, welcome to my channel. Today in this video we are going to learn the simplification questions that has been asked in all competitive exams. Okay, we can move on to the questions. And the first question, 27 of whole power 2 by 3. Okay, so in case of like 27 like whole power 2 or only normal 3, we can find the answers very soon by dividing it, like 27 into 27. If it is like power 2, square of 2, we can write easily. If it is like fractions like 2 by 3, how to solve it? Okay, we can see to it. So just remember the hint. Okay, the 3, the fractions that has been given like 2 by 3 or any of the questions like 4 by 5. Remember this denominator, that is 3 or 5, that will be ending with this. Like now the question is like 2 by 3 and here we will be writing the powers with 3 for this. That is 3 power 3 is 27, right? We all know that 3 power cube, that is 27. So just remember this, the fraction that comes off from for the denominator, that will be written for this power, that the question, that is the number which has been given. Okay, so write 3 cube is 27 and whole power, the fraction is given as 2 by 3 and the power is 2 by 3. Okay, and here we have 3 cube and this is into, so just write into 2 by 3 and 3 and 3 get cancel it off, and so you'll be getting 3 square, that is 9. So 9 is our answer. Okay, just remember this hint. What the fraction comes, that is what the denominator comes of, that will be the cube or like 3 power 5 or something which the number has been given. Okay, just simplify it, you'll be getting 3 power cube, that is 3 cube whole power, same 2 by 3. Just multiply it, 3 into 2 by 3, 3 and 3 get cancelled, so 3 square equal to 9 is our answer. Okay, and second one, the question is 1024 whole power minus 4 by 5. So in case of like minus 4 by 5, that is inverse, just write. For minus, if you write of inverse, that will become plus, that is like what you write 5 by 4, that is plus. Okay, the inverse. We can move on to the answers, that is like solutions, then you will get a glance. So as like the previous sum, I have told you like 5. So that is this digit that has been given will be of some power 5. So 1024, as it is ends with 24, it is divisible by 4. So 2 4s are 8, remaining 2, 5 4s are 20, remaining 2, 6 4s are 24, 2 5 6 by 4, you will be getting 6 4s are 24, remaining 1 here, and 4 4s are 16, here 4, 1 4 is 4, here 2, 6 4s are 24, 4 4 and 4 1. So 1 2 3 4 5. So you see here 5 we have. So 4 cube is 1024. Okay, sorry, 4 power 5. Sorry, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, 4 power 5 whole power, we have minus 4 by 5. As like same as previous sum, right? 4 power 5 we have into, that is minus 4 by 5. 5 and 5 get cancelled off. 4 power minus 4. Okay, so 4 power minus 4 we have. So to write it plus, that is now it is in minus, just to make it plus, write inverse of, that is 1 by 4 power 4. That is just you are writing this one as 1 by 4 power 4, that will, the minus will become plus, that is writing inverse. So 1 by 4 power 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is 256. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. 64 into 4, 256. So 256 is our answer. Clear? And third question. 8 by 125. 125 whole divided by minus 4 by 3. This is the sum is also like in fractions, and we have the power is also in minus 4 by 3. In the previous sum we have seen like this kind of sums. We have only one digit numbers, right? In this we have fractions. How to solve this? This kind of sums, just first see to it. I told you that in the previous sums, just see to the denominator. The digits will be written in the powers, that is in cube. So what power of cube will be 8? 2 cube is 8, right? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. 2 cube, and 125 is 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. Whole power we have minus 4 by 3. Yes. And here, as the powers are same here, just write 2 by 5 whole power 3 into you have minus 4 by 3. 3 and 3 gets cancelled it off. Yes. And 2 by 5 whole power minus 4 you have it. Right. So, as it is minus here, like previous sum, I have told that write just inverse of this. Okay. Inverse in the sense 5 by 2 whole power 4 is the inverse. Okay. 5 by 2 whole power 4. The minus, as it is minus, we are making it to plus, that is write the inverse. So 5 power 4 is 625 by 16. Okay. So this is our exact answer. 625 by 16. And our fourth question. If the question has been asked in like 0.00032 whole power 3 by 5. Like previous sum we have seen to like single digit will be given and like powers will be given of, or like fractions will be given. In this kind of decimal point sums, just first write the digits that has been given. That is, digit given is 32, right? And just look to the add up the numbers that is after the decimal point. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are there. So write 5 zeros. Okay. Write 5 zeros as it is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? This is easier. Just first write the digits that is given and whole divided by the after decimal point how many numbers has been given. Write it as zeros. Just add it up and write it as numbers. And we have 3 by 5 whole power 3 by 5. So as it is 5 here the digit that will be ending up, that is with the power 5. So 32, it is 2 power 5 is 32. Okay. And here we have 5 zeros, right? So 10 power 5. Okay. And whole power 3 by 5. As it is 5, write common. We can write it as common. 2 by 10 into whole power we have 5 into 3 by 5. 5 and 5 gets cancelled it off. Here also we can cancel it off as it is. You see here we have 2 and 10. By second table we can cancel it off. We'll be getting 1 by 5. So 1 by 5 of whole power 3 we have it. So 1 by 5 cube is 125. Okay, we got the exact answer. In case of decimal points, just write it. Just simplify as 32 by how many numbers has been given after the decimal point. Just write it off and just cancel it. That's all. Okay. This kind of sums we can solve easily. Okay. If it is minus here, just write, if it is minus 3 by 5, just write it as inverse 5 by 3. It makes of like plus. Okay. Thank you friends for watching my channel. Please subscribe for new videos.